Hi, this is Bill Stannard from Yes Online Learning. Today we're going to take a look at a drafting problem, and what we have in front of us is a three-dimensional drawing of what I like to think of as a chair without any legs. You can see the place where you would sit and where the backrest would be, and I'm going to show you how to draw this in three different views: a top view, a side view, and a front view. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by drawing this from the front view, and what we mean by that is what we see if we're looking at this object from the front. So let's start with the front of this cushion right here, the one that's sitting on the floor, and we're going to go ahead and draw that in yellow up on the part of the drawing that's labeled front. So we have the part that goes from this side all the way over to here, this on the floor. We have the top of the cushion, which goes from that side all the way over to the other side. And then we have the sides of the cushion that we can see. And that's what you would see if you were looking at it from the front. Okay, now let's switch colors and take a look at how we would draw this part, still looking from the front. Well, we would start here. This is the top of the back cushion of the chair. We would draw that line. And then we have the side of the back cushion. That line would come down here. And then we have the other side of the cushion, and that line would come down here. I'm not going to draw the other line that goes across the back right here because you can't really see that from the front drawing. Okay, so now let's take a look and see what we would draw if we were looking at the chair from the side. And I'm going to change colors this time to a red. And what I mean by the colors from the side would be right along here. So if we're looking at the side of the chair, what would we draw? Well, the first thing would be perhaps the front of the cushion. There's there. And now the back of the cushion would be there, all the way down to the floor. And then the part that's along the floor would be here. The top of the cushion that you would be sitting on would be there. The top of the back cushion would be there. And the part that you lean your back against would be right here. So that's what you would see if you were looking at the cushion from the side. And now let's try the top. So I'm going to change my color again. This time I'm going to use a purple for this part of the top. So now let's go ahead and draw that. If we're looking down on the chair from the top, we would have the top of that back cushion, that's the back of it. Then we would have the front of that back cushion, and we would have the two sides. And that would be the top of that back cushion. And now the seat. Let's go ahead and pick another color for the seat. I'm going to pick kind of a pinky color there. So to draw that, looking down on it from the top, we would draw the side of that bottom cushion, the other side of that bottom cushion, and again, looking down from the top, the front of that bottom cushion. Now, you notice that I didn't draw the line across here, because if you were looking down from the top, you would really just see this purple line. You wouldn't see the other line down there. So we only draw one line. Wherever two of these shapes sort of intersect, we draw the one that visually you would actually see. You draw the one that's closest to you. Okay, I hope that made sense, and I hope your drawing looks like mine. Thanks for watching.